Do you ever wonder why, after years of working, your bank balance still feels the same? Why promotions disappear into bills, not freedom? Stay with me, because the answer isn't about how hard you work. It's about how money thinks. And if you learn to think like money, it will start working for you. Keep watching. This could change everything about your financial life. Close your eyes for a second. Picture your future, the home you dream about, the pressure-free mornings, the freedom to say no to anything that drains you. Now open your eyes. Most people never reach that picture, not because they lack ambition, but because they never learned the secret language of money. Today, I'll teach you that language. In a way so simple, you'll wish someone taught you sooner. And by the end, you'll know exactly what to do next. I'm going to tell you 3 things the rich quietly understand and almost no one else does. Not the invest in stocks fluff you see everywhere. Real habits, real mindset shifts, and small steps that deliver huge results. If you've ever felt guilty for buying the wrong thing, anxious at month end, or exhausted chasing a higher paycheck that still leaves you broke, this video is for you. Don't skip the middle. I promise the payoff at the end is life-changing. In the next 5 minutes, I'll give you 1. The mental switch that changes your money decisions. 2. The 3-step money map to follow every month. And 3. The one tiny habit that builds wealth on autopilot. Ready? Let's go. Most people treat money like a scoreboard. How much they earn right now. The rich treat money like a tool, something to design with. That's the mental switch, scoreboard to tool. When you see money as a tool, choices look different. A $200 guitar becomes a way to build a side income. A $500 course becomes a step toward a promotion that pays back tenfold. That tiny mental reframing tool creates new decisions, not new income. Start asking, what does this money do for me? Not, how much do I have right now? Here's the map that wealthy people follow, quietly every month. Step A, capture. Step B, allocate. Step C, automate. A, capture. Write down every single income stream and expense for 1 month. Not approximate. Exact. This is your baseline. Most people guess and lose power. Capture gives you truth. B, allocate. Now split that captured income into 4 buckets. Essentials at 50%, growth at 20%, savings at 20%, and play at 10%. These percentages are a proven starter. You can adjust them later. Growth is the key. It's money used to make more money. Skills, a small business, or investments. Savings are your emergency and opportunity fund. And play keeps life livable so you don't burn out. C, automate. Use standing orders or auto pay. The rich treat themselves like a bill. The moment money arrives, a portion is routed automatically to growth and savings. What's left is for living. Automation removes temptation and builds discipline. If you take only one thing from this video, make it this habit. Increase your growth allocation by 1% every month. That's it. If you start with 20% and add 1% monthly, in less than 2 years, you will be directing considerably more money into skill building and investments without a painful cut to your life. Small, consistent increases compound more than occasional giant sacrifices. Imagine your salary is $1,000 a month. You switch 1%, just $10, each month into growth. Month 1, it's $10. By month 12, it's $120 a month flowing to growth. By year 2, you've added nearly $1,500 extra dollars into your growth engine, and your skills or side hustle start to produce returns. That's leverage. Okay, now some practical, non-clickbait rules to start today. Rule 1. Know the difference between assets and liabilities. If it doesn't put money in your pocket or grow in value, it's a liability. A car might be a liability. A course that teaches you a marketable skill is an asset. Rule 2. Cut one recurring expense this month and move that money to growth. A subscription you don't use? Cancel it. Use that cash to buy a book, take a class, or start a tiny savings account. Rule 3. Make your money work harder, slowly. Start with safe, low-friction investments, like index funds or a high-yield savings account for emergencies. Once your basics are secure, you can channel more into higher return options. And Rule 4. Talk about money without shame. Most people hide their mistakes. The rich run experiments, learn fast and adjust. Share your goals with one honest friend. Accountability creates action. You might be thinking, I don't make enough. I hear you. Money isn't only about income, it's about decisions. I once met someone earning less than the average, but because they followed these habits, they bought a house while their friend with a higher salary was still renting. Wealth is a result of compounding smart decisions, not just a paycheck. Maybe your parents never talked about money. Maybe school never taught it. That's not your fault. But now that you're watching, you get to rewrite the rest of your life. That's powerful. Here's your 30-second action plan. Do it right after this video. First, open your banking app and list every income and expense for this month. That's capture. Second, choose one recurring expense to cancel and move that amount to your growth bucket. That's allocate and automate. Third, set one standing order for that growth bucket. Even $5 counts. That's automation. That small momentum will change your psychology, and that's where all real change begins. If this video has already changed how you think, hit that like button now. If you want more real, no fluff steps to actually improve your money life every week, subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss a single lesson. Share this with one friend who is tired of working hard but never getting ahead. They might thank you later. Remember, financial freedom isn't a lottery ticket. It is a series of smarter decisions done consistently. Today, you learned the mental switch, the monthly map, and the tiny habit that compounds wealth. Use them. Give them 90 days and watch how your choices start pulling you toward the future you imagined at the start of this video. This isn't just about money. It's about reclaiming your time, your energy, and your life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.